Welcome back to my channel Mr. Quiz Rush. This video is about to guess the fruit names by its scrambled words with easy, medium, and hard levels. Before start the video, subscribe the channel Mr. Quiz Rush for more interesting and brain challenge games. So let's begin the video. After easy level, there's a surprise for you, so don't skip the video and watch till end. Easy level. Guess the first name. Which fruit is this? It's kiwi fruit. Can you guess the second one? Which fruit is this? It's plum fruit. Can you guess this fruit? Which fruit is this? It's pear. Try this one. Guess the name of this fruit. It's berries. It's so delicious. Hope you guessed this one. Comment if you nailed it. Share this video if you guess right. It's melon. This one is very easy. Hope you guess it right. It's mango. Try guess this fruit. Which fruit is this? It's apple. Can you guess this fruit? It's peach. Before move to the medium level, let's play the brain quiz by finding the odd emoji. Subscribe if you picked first. Now let's move to the medium level. Can you try guess this fruit name? Yes, it's tomato. You know the tomato. Solanum like a persicum is a plant whose fruit is an edible berry that is eaten as a vegetable. Can you guess this one? It's durian fruit. Do you know durian trees are typically grown in the southern regions of Pakistan, where the climate is warm and humid? Try guess this fruit name. Grapes, mostly in Afghanistan. Can you try guess this fruit name? It's cherry. For your knowledge, cherry is very good for blood. Can you try guess this fruit? It's lemon. Yes, botanically, a lemon is a fruit, as it develops from the flower's ovary and it contains seeds. Which fruit name is this? Guess this one. It's papaya fruit. Mostly papaya is a sweet, fleshy fruit native to Mexico. Try guess this fruit name. It's pepino fruit. Very sweet, juicy flavor that combines notes of honeydew, cantaloupe, and cucumber. Try guess this fruit name. Orange, it may be sour or sweet, but very delicious fruit is this. Hope you guessed this one. It's loquat. It is very better for stomach diseases. Guess this fruit. Hint a cup of water under this fruit. It's coconut. Mostly coconut oil is used for hairs for better growth. Its palas on his shape is very resemblance to lychee. Try guess this one. Its coins very semblance to guava. Try guess this fruit. It's avocado. Before move to the hard level, try guess this country name by its scrambled word. It's Brazil. Let's move to the hard level fruit quiz challenge. Try guess this name. It's pomegranate. You know the Afghanistani pomegranate is very high quality and very delicious. Try this one. It's cantaloupe. Do you know it's better for health, boosting immunity, aiding digestion, supporting eye health, and promoting hydration? Which fruit is this? Try guess. It's grapefruit, mostly growing in Pakistan with very highly quality. Let's check your mind guess skills. Try guess this fruit name. It's rambutan. It helps prevent the risk of stroke and heart attack and thus contributes to a longer lifespan. Try guess this one. It's gooseberry, boosting immunity with high vitamin C content, promoting heart health, aiding digestion, and potentially protecting diabetes. Try guess this fruit. It's pineapple fruit, and it's very tasty. Can you guess this fruit? It's blueberry, boosting brain function. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your favorite quiz challenge to make video on it.